today. How am I supposed to open it? That's just great.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Portia. If you have not been here before, thank you for being here, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I will be showing you a new product that I am using for my face, a new face mask. I still wash my face with the Red Rose Naturals. I washed my face already, and then I cleansed it already. I just have not put on the TLC Skin Slave because I'm about to apply this new face mask. It came in this nice little box. Gleamin. It's a vitamin C clay mask with turmeric and aloe vera. Instantly enhances skin for a luminous bare face glow. Stain free and formulated to work with all skin types. It's vegan and cruelty free. So this is the box it came in. And I just saw this as I was scrolling, and I was like, oh, I could use another face mask. I still love my Red Rose Naturals. I will use them continuously every single day. I actually have allergies, so when it's pollen season, my face tends to break out more. So this is what the jar looks like. And it comes with this brush. The package also came with a cute little keychain that said Gleamin. I think that's the name of it. I just took a shower. So let's open it up. So this is what it, I haven't opened it. I just got already off to a bad start. Okay. All right, we gotta pop this open. I was not ready for that to happen at all. Ouch. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We got that off. Snap. It smells good. I don't know what it smells like though. So it says, apply evenly to a freshly cleansed face using the brightening brush. Allow 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry. Gently remove your mask with warm water. Pat dry using a soft clean towel. And then I will put on my TLC Skin Slaver. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 10 minutes. I can feel it like tingling. And I'm guessing you can use it every day because it doesn't say you can't. It says This transformative blend of superfood ingredients works to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, replacing them with a radiant, confident shine, bringing out the best in you. So I think you can use this every day, twice a day, night and morning, 10 minutes, and go. No makeup needed. It's a cute box. I do think face masks are very, very, very important. If you guys have not seen any of my Red Rose Natural videos, make us. I do think face masks are very, very, very important. If you guys have not seen any of my Red Rose Natural videos, make sure you look at them down below so you can see exactly how I washed my face before I even did this. I already washed my face and I just wanted to go over this product because I've already been over the Red Rose Naturals and I don't want to be repetitive. I did a 35-day challenge on the Red Rose Naturals to see if my skin did change, and yes, it did. I actually love Red Rose Naturals. I hope I love this too so I can add this to my face routine to really enhance it. It's good to have a face routine, y'all. Tell you feel good about yourself, you feel confident, you feel like you can do things and get things done when you take care of your hair and your skin and your nails. You be like, I'm a whole new person. Every time I get my nails done, I be like, who that? Because I'm cute, right? Stay with the nails done. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry.
Moments later.
Alright, you guys, so it's been roughly 15 to 20 minutes. I know they only said 10, but I got caught up doing something and it is completely dry. This is what it looked like when it's dry. I think next time I'm gonna actually get a little bit of my neck. But yeah, this is what it looks like when it's dry. So I'm gonna rinse and then show you my skin and then put on my TLC by Red Rose Naturals. Okay guys, so my face is nice and clean. It's really soft. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna put this on my face and that is it. I will update you guys in about another week. I will do the same exact thing and show you where my skin is after using it every single day, twice a day, and show you what my skin is looking like, including the Red Rose Naturals. So my Red Rose Naturals, all three of my products, plus the Gleamin face mask. We're trying to be glowy for summer, okay? Even though they got us quarantined, we're trying to be glowy. Okay? Get rid of these dark marks. Sick of this. Remember, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next face routine or hair routine, whichever comes first.